What's up, guys? Are you new to affiliate marketing? Would you like to learn how to be an affiliate marketer and in 90 days have success and have a system built so you can start promoting products? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you just that. So stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're not new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like if you like this content. Give me some comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And if you have any questions on my content today, please post it below in the comments and I will reply. If you're interested in the program that I speak of today, there will be a link in the description. Alright guys, so let's get on with today's video. Today we're going to be talking about a 90-day program that's going to teach you all the tricks and tools you need to become a successful affiliate marketer in 90 days. So this program is going to teach you over the next 90 days your email marketing, your sales funnels, your copy, your how to build web pages, how to run advertisements, all this stuff in the next 90 days. And you'll have all these tools in place so you can actually take that and promote any product or service that you would like. You just find your niche and you promote. So you're going to become, out of that 90 days, so the best part is during this 90 days, you're going to be earning an income while you're learning how to become a marketer. So at the end of this 90 days, you will be an online entrepreneur and you'll be able to market at any niche you would like. So let's get on with today's video and jump over to my desktop. Alright guys, so the program that I'm going to be speaking of today is Builderall. And I'm sure you've seen me post videos about this program because it is an amazing program, especially for the beginner getting into affiliate marketing. This is a web page that I built on my Builderall site. So this is just one of the cool things that you can do, right? So we're going to run over here to Builderall. This is the Builderall.com website. And one thing we're going to be talking about is what Builderall can do for you. We are going to be talking about a 90-day program that will get you off and running. But first, I wanted to talk real quick about what Builderall is for those that don't know. So Builderall is a way to build your marketing business online and have all the tools in one place at a very low cost. So what you'll be able to do is create websites, stores, blogs, sales funnels. You will be able to attract customers with landing pages and capture your emails and contacts with an autoresponder. You'll be able to automate these processes and be able to sell more and grow your business online and become a successful online entrepreneur. So I know there's a lot of people getting into this space, and it is an awesome space to be in because you can earn while you sleep. And the best part about the program I'll be talking about today is that you're going to be doing this over 90 days. You're going to sign up for this program, and over 90 days, you're going to learn while you earn. All right. So there's going to be a lot of things that you're going to learn, and I'm going to just show you a few of those things in today's video. All right. So we're going to jump over here out of the Builderall website for a second. And we're going to be talking about the 90-day challenge. So at Builderall, they just came out with a 90-day challenge. So what this does is as soon as you sign up, what they're doing is they're taking you through a 90-day training. And what this 90 days is going to do is get you to the point where you're actually earning an income every month that is significant to what you want, right? So I'm not going to say it's easy because affiliate marketing is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not easy, but it is worth it. And I am going to tell you right now, if you go through these steps at the end of this 90 days, if you never knew anything about online marketing, you will at the end of these 90 days. Now, will you need to spend a little bit of money? Yes, because you're going to need these tools. And without these tools, you're not going to be able to do affiliate marketing. So if you're not willing to spend a little bit of money up front, then you might as well stop listening to this video and look for something else, because affiliate marketing is not that. You're not going to come into affiliate marketing and spend $0 because you need the tools to become a marketer. So without those tools, you can't become a marketer. All right. So I'm just saying that to be blunt, and I want to be upfront and transparent with you guys. If you're not willing to spend a little bit of money to become an affiliate marketer, then you might as well stop watching and go do like typing or speech to text or something like that you get paid an hourly rate, right? We're not doing hourly rates here. We're doing, you put in a lot of work up front, and then it fill up your pipeline, and then it starts paying you passive residual income. And you'll be able to take this skill that you learn and put it to any product or service out there, whether it's a low commission affiliate program like this, or a high ticket affiliate program like others I've spoke of in other videos that I have. All right, so let's get on with today's 90-day challenge and what it's actually going to be talking about. I'm going to give you just a quick look at the first module. So this first module, when you first come into Builderall, as soon as you join Builderall, you're going to have this Builderall business section. This is the section where you're going to be building your business. You're going to have a lot of training and a lot of tools already in place that actually help you market. So under trainings, and you hit basic, they got this module here. So there's 15 modules, and there's some tip over here. So what these are going to do is walk you through how Builderall works, what not to do, and why most fail at affiliate marketing. So they search versus social, the two different ways to promote. So you're going to get all this stuff, right off the bat. So come in here, go through these lessons, and don't just listen to them, put them to action. Because guys, what I wish for you the most is that you take massive action and you actually start earning with this tool. So while you're getting trained how to become an affiliate marketer, right, you can also learn marketing and take this with you after 90 days and put it to anything. And you already have this platform in place, and you already know how to make the funnels and everything in this platform. All right. So it'll walk you through all this stuff, right? How to navigate and get your links, 3 ways to get your first sale. So what this first 15 modules is doing is helping you get your first 3 sales. So after you get your first 3 sales, you'll unlock the next module, and then you'll start getting trained to make the next series of sales, and it's going to be a lot more sales the next level, and it'll keep increasing, right? So over the 90 days. But so what I would like you to do is come in here once you get Builderall, take these lessons just one by one, and this is for people that are new to affiliate marketing, that have never done this type of stuff before, and this is going to teach you everything you need to know. All right, it's going to teach you attracting how to attract people on Facebook, how to use your profile for free traffic, how to use YouTube like this to get traffic, how to use keyword research on your videos, right? So I just did a video on how to do keyword research on your videos, and guys, this is big stuff, right? So teaches you how to build your structure and how to follow and how to rank factors and the algorithms of YouTube, how to create thumbnails and set up a Quora account so you can start doing reviews on Quora and getting free traffic through Quora. All right, so guys, this is very important stuff, and if you put all this stuff into action, there is no reason why you can't get your first 3 sales pretty quick within your first 30 days, pretty easy. And you just think, if you get 3 sales your first 30 days, that's your first 3 months. You don't even have to pay. This is totally free training, and you'll become an affiliate, you'll come out of this a trained marketer. All right, so it tells you how to access your back office, your affiliate dashboard, how to get through the quick start. I'm not going to go through all this, but all this is videos. And best part is you can promote, right? You can promote this. You can promote Builderall and earn an income through Builderall. If anything, earn enough to get this training for free so you could take it and put it towards whatever niche you want. You go over to ClickBank and start promoting products or services there. But it helps you build your presence in social media and on YouTube and Quora and places like that, so you can actually start building your brand so you can start market. All right. So guys, what I wish for you is that you take massive action. You come in here, you join Builderall, you take the 90-day challenge, you learn while you earn, and you become an online entrepreneur that can market any product or service at the end of this 90 days and go off and run. And the best part is, guys, is Builderall's currently uh, building a lot of new things in the background. So over the next couple weeks, several weeks, and next upcoming months, you're going to start seeing things like viral sales funnels for us to use, new tools and improved platforms. So what they're doing is they're improving their platform and they're bringing in new tools and getting out some of the tools that they feel didn't work out as well as others, right? So this platform is meant to be an all-in-one platform for the digital marketer, right? And I've been using it for about less than 30 days, and I gotta say I'm very surprised about how good this is. When I first came in here, I was kind of confused with it because I am used to like the ClickFunnels and the autoresponders like GetResponse, et cetera, because I've been using those, right? I've been using WordPress, ClickFunnels, GetResponse, but the price of all those is at least 6, 7 times what this costs a month. So guys, when you're first coming in, you don't have all this money to spend on all these products to help you do what you need to do. So if I would have found this when I first started, I would have been in love, because this is actually everything you need all in one area for a low monthly cost. And I'm talking about a low monthly cost. I'm talking about $49.90 a month. Your first, whenever you sell something, the first time it's 100% commission. So you sell 2 of these products your first month, that's 2 free months. You sell 3 your first month, you're go through this level 1 and you'll go into level 2 and you'll have their 90 days paid for. So and it's only going to get better from there. So guys, take a look at Builderall. No judging. You can sign up for the 7-day trial. Look at this 90-day challenge to see if it's something that you like. But if you're interested in affiliate marketing and you've never done it before, this is a good place to start. And I'm not just saying that, I'm being honest here. And that's one thing I do in this channel, is I only promote things that I feel are good, right? Things that I feel that I've got value out of and that they keep giving me value. So they constantly put out new training with this program. They constantly put out training with other programs I promote. And as long as they keep giving new value and keep giving, I'll keep absorbing it, putting it to action and learning and sharing it with you guys. Now, if I got into a product and it was just stale and it was just a bunch of stuff that was always there and never improving, then I probably would not share that with you guys unless it was something that was really good. All right, so guys, what I would like you to do today is click the link in the description, sign up for Builderall, go through the 90-day challenge, just do it for 3 months. If you put it all to action, you will come out an affiliate marketer and be able to start building your journey onto online marketing. So you can do a lot in 90 days. You just got to hit it hard. You got to put it to action. You got to sacrifice a little bit of your time, because it's not going to be easy, but it will be worth it. All right, guys, again, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button. if you have any questions, post them in the comments below and I will answer them. If you have any comments, let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future. And my wish to you is that you take massive action, and I will see you on the next video tomorrow. Peace out.